As the weather cools down, most of us start craving dishes that'll warm us up from the inside out. And even if the temperature doesn't take a big dip, the one-pot classic we're making today, chicken fricassee, will make you feel good through and through. If you're not familiar with fricassee, let me show you how to make a simple version of this French classic. The first thing we do is saute a cut-up chicken that we seasoned and coated with flour. Once browned, we take it out of the pot and saute some carrots, onions, and celery till they're tender. Then we add some chicken broth, a bunch of spices, and bring it to a boil. Next, we'll add the chicken back in along with some sliced mushrooms, and we'll let that simmer till the chicken's cooked through. Maybe serve this over some curly cooked noodles so they can soak up all that flavor-packed sauce. The nice thing about this, besides how easy it is that everything cooks in one pot, so cleanup's a breeze. To get the recipe for our classic chicken fricassee, check out our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easy French classic way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."